Science with Folly.
Kia ora. Welcome to Science with Folly. Today we're learning about power. What is power? In science we say power is the rate at which work is done. Basically, how fast something can do work. Power is measured in watts, and 1 watt equals 1 joule per second. And to measure power, we use the formula power equals work divided by time. One thing to remember, with this formula, big P stands for power. There's also another formula with a big P, which is for pressure. And in this one, the big W stands for work, not to be confused with the fact that power is measured in watts, which also uses a symbol, big W. So power is measured in watts, which is a big W. Work is measured in joules, big J. And time is measured in seconds, which is the little s. We can use our solving triangle to help us rearrange the formula. Power equals work divided by time. Work equals power times time. And time equals work divided by power. And there you go. There's the rearranged formulas. So let's practice using our formula to calculate power. So how much power have I generated by doing 2,000 joules of work to run, say, 100 meters in 20 seconds? Well, here's my formula. Power equals work divided by time. The amount of work I've done is 2,000. And the time taken is 20 seconds. I just put that 100 meters there to confuse you. It's not actually part of the equation. 200 divided by 20 gives you 100, and power is measured in watts. Now let's rearrange the formula to calculate work. If I've got a 10 watt LED light and it's turned on for 10 minutes, how much work was done? Well, work equals power times the time. So my power here is 10 watts. And what's my time? That's not 10, seconds. So we go 10 times 60 equals 600 seconds. And my answer is 6,000, what's work measured in? Joules. And finally, let's use the formula to calculate time. So how long will it take a 500 watt machine to do 10,000 joules of work? Well, time equals work divided by power. And in this case, I've got 10,000 joules of work divided by 500 watts. It gives us 20 seconds. So will a 1,000 watt machine do the work faster? Think about it. 10,000 divided by 1,000 will give us 10 seconds. And you know that because the more powerful the machine is, the faster it can do work. Because remember, power is a measure of the rate at which work is done. So thanks for watching Science with Folly. And remember, you have the power to achieve in science. Ka kite anō.